Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Irfan Ridho Nugraha from Logistik 1B, and today I will describe what is logistic migas or logistic oil and gas. Logistic oil and gas is a monumental undertaking that involves the movement of massive volumes of energy resources across vast distance, often through some of the most challenging environments on Earth. It is a highly specialist field that bridges the gap between the extraction of raw hydrocarbons and the delivery of refined products to end consumers. The complexity of this sector arises from the volatile nature of the materials, the capital-intensive infrastructure required, and the strict regulatory frameworks governing safety and environmental protection. At its core, oil and gas logistics is divided into three primary segments: upstream, midstream, and downstream. Each segment requires a unique logistical approach. Specialist equipment and a distinct set of risk management strategies. In the upstream sector, logistics is primarily concerned with supporting exploration and production activities, often in remote offshore location or deep inland desert where infrastructure is non-existent. Upstream logistics involves the mobilization of drilling rigs, heavy machinery, and specialist personnel to remote site. This often require the construction of temporary roads, helipads, or supply docks. The logistical challenge here is project-based, meaning that materials must arrive in a precise sequence to avoid costly rig downtime, where every hour of inactivity can represent tens of thousands of dollars in lost revenue. Water-based logistics play a critical role in offshore upstream operations. Platform supply vessels and anchor handling tug supply vessels are the lifelines of offshore platforms, carrying water, fuel, drill pipes, and food to crew stationed miles away from the coast. These operations are heavily dependent on weather windows and maritime safety protocols, requiring sophisticated scheduling software to optimize vessel utilization. The midstream sector represents the heart of oil and gas logistics, focusing on the transportation and storage of crude oil and natural gas. This space is dominated by pipelines, which are the most efficient and cost-effective method for moving high volumes of fluid over land. Pipelines operate as a continuous flow system, requiring constant monitoring of pressure, flow rates, and integrity to prevent catastrophic leaks. When pipelines are not visible, particularly across oceans, oil tankers and LNG carriers take over. Very large crude carriers can transport millions of barrels of oil in a single voyage, acting as floating warehouse that connect continents. The logistic of operating these vessels involve complex route planning to avoid geopolitical hotspot, pirate-prone waters, and narrow checkpoints like the Strait of Hormuz. Liquefied natural gas or LNG logistics is perhaps the most technologically advanced subsector because natural gas must be cooled in min 162 to turn into a liquid for transport. The logistical chain requires specialist cryogenic tankers or regasification terminals. This cold chain must be maintained without interruption, requiring precise thermal management and high-tech insulation systems throughout the journey. Storage is another vital pillar of midstream logistics. Tank farms are underground salt caverns serve as strategic buffers, balancing the steady output from wells with the fluctuating demand from refineries. Logisticians must manage the available space in a tank to ensure the production never has to stop due to a lack of storage capacity, which could lead to physical damage to the oil wells downstream. Downstream logistics begins once the crude oil reaches the refinery. This stage is characterized by high complexity because a single stream of crude is processed into dozens of different products, such as gasoline, diesel, jet fuel, and petrochemicals. Each of these products requires its own dedicated logistical path to ensure there is no contamination. The distribution of refined products often relies on a hub and spoke model. Large volumes are moved from refineries to regional terminals via secondary pipelines or rail cars. From these terminals, smaller quantities are dispatched via tank trucks to gas stations, airports, and industrial plants. This last mile delivery is highly sensitive to local traffic conditions, fuel price volatility, and urban safety regulations. Safety and hazardous materials or hazmat management are the non-negotiable foundations of oil and gas logistics. Every person involved in the supply chain must be trained in spill response, fire suppression, and emergency evacuation. The documentation required ranging from bills of lading to material safety datasheets or MSDS is extensive to ensure that Every gallon of fuel is tracked and handled according to international law.